In this quick video, I will show you how to easily increase the size of your position on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign-up bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. You can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. So as you can see, we currently have a long position opened right here, and to now increase the position size, all you need to do is just go up here to the right and open another position. And what I will eventually do is just add the amount that you enter right here onto the existing position. So if you just go in here, let's say a market order, you can see I have $100 available, so I can just use all of it, just go to 100% and just click on open long. You will see this position size is 0.06 BTC. My position size down here is already 0.06, so this will just be added to the already opened position. So I can just click on confirm, and as you will see, I've bumped it up to 0.012 BTC, which equals $1,200, and that's how you can easily increase your position at any time. If you don't have any more available capital, you would need to also increase the leverage in order to increase the position further. If you want to know how to do that, I have a separate video on that on my channel. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.